My name is Oliver Battle and I'm studying level 2 Bodywork Mechanics. I think there's a range of reasons why I like this course. Being able to work with cars is mainly panel beating, kind of working and fixing all these dents and that and making it look brand new and fresh. And we get to do pretty much like what we want within reason, obviously. We make things like a shield, and it like further educates us on like welding and spray painting and things like that. So not only do I learn, but I have a load of fun doing it. So that is one of the greatest things about the course. Tutors are really nice and friendly. They've always been nice to me and they've always helped me learn if I don't know, and it's never been a problem if I don't know, so it's been really great to have them around and that. My plans after this year really are to just go on and see if there is any kind of opportunities for me to progress in this sort of field of area really. It'd be loads of fun for me, I think.